The other day, harvesting corn. One this big 150 acre field right here. Done pretty daggum good. Corn's pretty daggum good. Can't complain. Selling pretty good. It's running about 20% moisture, so we're cooking. It's running about 20% moisture, so we're selling this corn and putting it in the dryer. This corn's pretty good. It's not as good as we've been selling, but it's pretty daggum good. This is the field of corn on corn. That's probably why. And the stand's not as good, but man, it's kind of easy, but it's still pretty, it's kind of grassy, but it's still pretty good. It's still right over 200, 199, 200. So yeah, can't get Jimmy Johnson, take Tommy Thompson, take my best friend home, take anybody that you want. Long as she don't go, take any boy you will. Don't take the go. A little full up here. I think we get a little more in there though, right? So get down here. Everything on this corn is doing pretty good. With this field here, this section I'm walking out here from there over there's 150 acres, and then across the ditch over there, way over the other side of the tree line, where that trailer, that's the truck you see over there. Oh, other side of that, there's 300 acres over there for one farm, and it's a ditch. The only thing dividing that farm up is the ditch. The only thing dividing these fields up is the ditch. So I'll wait. We're getting a look on the ground over here. This corn here is around about 20%. This corn's absolutely kicking butt out here. This is channel corn. And the DeKalb mix. I'm not sure which one this is. It looks like, if I had to guess, it looks like DeKalb. I'm not really sure which, but it's pretty daggum good corn. I mean, the ears are just monsters on it. It's over 200, it's making over 200. So yeah, running about 19% moisture. So yeah, everything's going good. So just thought I'm telling you, totally looked at the updates of the day here. About 5 o'clock, probably gonna be going at the drive over soon, catching the drive soon, I would suspect. I mean, this is like the 20th load we've shelled, so today. So yeah,